about as consistent as you can be with a 286, 17 and 13.9. Okay, he knows exactly what that 210 will do. And he proved it back-to-back runs. All right. Connor Cook up next with the Farm Views out of Rushville. Connor Cook out of Rushville with the one called Farm Use. 13.9 seems to be a magic number right now. Keep that in mind as we work our way through. Time when you pull the throttle down knowing that you're not going to overrun the speed limit. Job well done. 324 and change at 14 and a half. Starting line, and we'll see him play with that back and forth all night long from one side to the other. All right, 324 the leading distance right now at 14 and a half. His distance at 15.1 miles an hour. Oops. He's over 15. Sorry about that. Sashay off to the right-hand side, 13.7 at 314.82. 314.82. We'll check RPM to make sure everything is okay from that standpoint. Matt Brinker, the Ramjet down at Union Mills, Indiana. Dead center on the track. Distance, awful fast. 16.1 to be exact. 352 and 18, but DQ on his speed. He bumped 15 and said, I'm over, and then see how far it's going to run. Matt Rinker, the Ramjet out of Union Mills, Indiana. Jay Masten, Harvester Prime out of Niles, Michigan, will be up next. Chase pulls it up and he's off of the line. 15.5 and said, I'm gone. 308.85, definitely on the speed. 15.7 ending up on the record at a DQ. Pulling lead across the country. A lot of people in Tipton County to be thankful for, helping us make this pull happen as well. Bill Hoffman out of Dale, Indiana, on board a D21 Alice. At exactly the right time to do it. 342 and 95. 342 and 95 cents to the right, turning 13.4 miles an hour. Green flag out on the sled. Mr. Singer says, I'm ready to go as soon as everybody else agrees. Our flagmen will check with each other, green on green, and we're ready to go with Team White. $363 and 58 cents to the right, 363.58, turning 14.3. We got a new leader. Seems to be a nice magical number to play with. 321 and 84 for Elijah with that 60-30 John Deere. 14.6, 321. We still have that 363 right there staring everybody in the face. Six left to run. Remember, our open class entry is open until we reach 15 tonight, and then we will close it. 15 in the open class is all we are going to run tonight. Hot Farm is next, brought to us by Hometown Diesel. and 12. 314 and 12 cents to the right at 14 and 4 for Nick Wehr. The old sachet to see if it was going to work a little bit, and he gained several feet. 348 and 32, turning 14 and 2. 348, 32 at 14 and 2 for Fulmer rather. Matt Fulmer. 6. He moved over, clear over to the left-hand side within about 4 feet of that left-hand boundary line. Tough to run there and keep it in bounds. And 14. 391 and 14. Lillian, I told you, Lillian was here from Three Oaks to show us how it's done. 13.8 as far as her speed is concerned. A new number 1. Leaves us 3 left to run. Ian, our king of the hill class. Hot Farm, you'll be next. Hot Farm, we'll be next, please. Another 1066 comes out of Winchester, Indiana. This is Garret Cox in the driver's seat, chasing that 391 now. Just laid down. We broke the 15 to 6 mile an hour, and so he went ahead and opened the throttle. That's a decent distance, 332 at 6, and Miller out of Battle Ground with one called Mungo. Scott White. Andy Miller in Battleground with one called Mungo. 13 Wehr and 7 in. That's the distance. 400 and something. How's 430 and 30 cents? He saw that one coming. Looked to him like the track dried out on the left-hand side. He said, okay, 14.5 is speed at 430 and 30. Big thanks to Evolutions Outdoors, our sponsor from IPO on our King of the Hill class tonight. For 24 and 74 at 14.6. Long distances out there. We'll do a final check on the final RPM and we'll know our placing in the class. We'll do a little reweight if necessary for our hot farm class that'll be coming up next.